Hi everyone, I'm Nathaniel. I'm one of the co-founders of Greenwood Labs, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to borrow cryptocurrency using Greenwood V2 in just a few clicks. So, let's get started. For this demo, we'll be using the Coven deployment of Greenwood V2, which you can find at coven.greenwood.finance. It's important to note that Greenwood V2 is currently unaudited, so please exercise caution if you decide to use our mainnet deployment. First, you're going to need to connect to a wallet on the proper network. Now that we're connected, we can see that the borrow button is no longer disabled. This signals that Greenwood is ready to use. So let's talk about some of the things that we can see on the Greenwood interface. On the left, we see the borrow form. You can specify the amount and the asset you would like to borrow. And just below that, you can specify the asset you would like to use as collateral. As we can see, the amount of collateral is automatically calculated for you. This form also provides information about the lending protocol that your borrow will be routed to, as well as the initial collateralization ratio for the loan. On the right side, you will see a list of all of the assets that can be borrowed, the lowest available interest rate for borrowing an asset, and the lending protocol that this asset will be borrowed from. And just a quick reminder that we're using a testnet for this video, so this table doesn't accurately represent the assets and lending protocols supported by Greenwood on mainnet. Now that we've set the terms for the loan that we would like, let's execute a borrow by pressing the blue borrow button. As we can see from the toast on the left side of the screen, the transaction is pending. And we know that the transaction has been successful when the status complete toast appears and our My Loans figure on the top right increases by 1. And that's it. We've successfully borrowed cryptocurrency using Greenwood. Next, we'll take a look at loan management.